Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create and use filters in Excel. Here, I have 3 columns: months, days, and season. Step 1, create a filter. First, select the header row. Then go to the Data tab and click on Filter. You will notice that drop-down buttons are added to each column header. Step 2, filter by season. Let's say we want to show only the summer months. Click on the drop-down button in the Season column. You will see that Select All is checked and all seasons are selected. Uncheck Select All, then check only Summer and click OK. Now Excel shows only the summer months. You may notice that the row numbers jump. For example, after row 1, it may show row 7. This means the other rows are hidden, not deleted. Step 3, apply another filter. Now let's filter further. Suppose we want to see only the summer months that have 31 days. Click on the drop-down button in the Days column. Uncheck Select All, then select only 31 and click OK. Now Excel will display only the summer months that have 31 days. Remove filters. To remove all filters at once, go to the Data tab and click on the Clear button next to Filter. This will remove all filters from the data. Another way is to remove filters individually. Click on the Season drop-down and select Clear Filter from Season, and do the same from the Days column. And that's how you create and use filters in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.